In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Figma prototype to your Wix website. This can be a fantastic way to showcase your design work directly on your website, allowing your visitors to interact with and visualize your project seamlessly. So let's dive in and see how you can integrate these platforms. First, you need to log into your account on Figma.com. Once you're in, navigate to the specific design file you want to embed on your Wix site. It's important to ensure that this is the finalized design, or at least the version that you're prepared to present to your website visitors. Once you've selected the correct design, locate and click on the Share button. This is usually situated at the top of your screen. Click it, and a pop-up menu will appear. From here, you'll want to select the option that says Get Embed Code. This is essentially the piece of digital code you'll need to insert into your Wix site to display your Figma prototype. Click on it, and make sure to copy this code to your clipboard. You'll use it in just a moment. Now, head over to your Wix website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do so, then open your specific website where you'd like to display the prototype. The Wix editor is incredibly user-friendly, which makes this process much smoother. Look to your sidebar on the left, and you'll find a button labeled Add Elements. Click this, and it'll expand a menu of various elements you can integrate into your site. Among these options, you'll see an option for Embed Code. Select this, and from there, choose Embed HTML. This is the spot where you can paste the code you copied from Figma. You'll see a placeholder box appear on your web page where the HTML will be embedded. Double-click within this box, and a window will pop up, allowing you to paste your Figma embed code. After you've done that, you should see a rendering of your prototype directly on your Wix page. To ensure everything is working perfectly and looks just right, click on the Preview button. This feature allows you to see exactly what your website visitors will experience. You can interact with the prototype, checking to make sure everything functions as expected. Take a moment to ensure that the sizing, layout, and interactive features are all properly aligned and appearing as intended. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully embedded a Figma prototype into your Wix website. This integration can really enrich your site's content, offering an interactive and engaging way for users to experience your design work firsthand. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.